All right, what's really good, everybody? Today I'm gonna throw the lip on the NB. This bad boy. Move this over. I got my brother over here, Miata Gang Garage.
What's up, guys?
Tell the boys what's going on. All right, yeah, I'm just gonna be installing this here. It should be pretty cool. So stick around and chill with us. We're gonna be installing this real quick. I'm gonna start by jacking up the car. All right, there it is. Now it's all done, just ready to drill in. This one was pretty cool. I think I got off eBay or Amazon. I think Amazon. It already has the holes already pre-marked, so we'll just have to drill in where we want to put it. Usually we like to start on the sides of the bumper. On either side will work, and then work your way through the middle. That way it keeps it all even. Alright, so you just want to kind of work your way from one side to the other. I gotta re-go over this one just to tighten it up, but then you're just gonna keep working through the holes. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. That one's not gonna. Alright, so right now I'm about halfway in. Right now we're in this middle section here. I got like 3 screws so far on the bottom, and then this side's holding in with like 3 screws. We're almost done with the last part here. It's coming together pretty cool. All right, guys, so all we did was just lower it back down. There it is. That's the lip install. Came out pretty good. I like the front view, the way it makes the tires like poke better. Yeah, that's gonna be it today, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to stay subscribed, hit the like button, all that. Yeah.